चंद्रमा की सतह पर चंद्रयान-3 की सफल लैंडिंग के बाद इसरो के वैज्ञानिक अब सूर्य के अध्ययन के लिए आदित्य L1 मिशन को लॉन्च करने की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। सूर्य का अध्ययन करने के लिए आदित्य L1 मिशन सितंबर के पहले हफ्ते में लॉन्च किया जा सकता है। एक इंटरव्यू में एस सोमनाथ ने आदित्य L1 के बारे में कहा कि
We have been studying sun for a long time. We have a solar observatory at Udaipur and we have been having a ground-based observation to look at sun, and a good pool of scientists who are working on moon has been there. And we decided that it's important to study moon much more closer, unobstructed, continuously for 24 hours a day. So this is possible only from space. So we thought that we should put an observatory in space to look at sun over a long period of time. It's very important because sun plays an important role in the future of the earth. I think earth is all because of sun. But activities on sun is well studied today, and the solar eruptions, the solar activity do affect the outer planet atmosphere. And this has an impact on various activities or various magnetic and other related activities, electrical activities on the surface. So this requires a satellite to be placed at an unobstructed location, which is a very good place, L1, the Lagrangian point L1, which is between Earth and Moon. Earth and Sun is found to be an excellent location. And we designed and developed few instruments, which is something like coronagraph, which will look at the sun and study the corona over a long continuously and look at eruptions. We also will measure the emissions which are coming towards the Earth using instruments mounted on the satellite. So these two measurements will complement each other. So we can event and measurements can be correlated, which is currently not possible anywhere else. So this is a uniqueness of that measurement. And over a period of long periods of observation, we'll be able to make good predictive models of the activities on the sun. And so that we can quickly, suppose we observe some activity there, we know after how many years, how many days or hours this activity will have an impact on our Earth as well.
VK News, राष्ट्र के नाम।